Students, in the last video, we ended up with the metallic and non-metallic character. Let me summarize once again. See, as we go from left to right in a period, the atomic radius decreases, then the electronegativity increases, non-metallic character also increases, electropositivity decreases as you go from left to right, as well the metallic character is also going to decrease. Now as we go down a period, the atomic radius is going to increase, then the electronegativity and non-metallic character is going to decrease, and electropositivity and metallic character is going to increase. Now let us see the use your brain power. See, what is the cause of non-metallic character of elements? The elements which have a tendency to gain electrons are known as non-metals. So the non-metallic character, it increases down across a period. So as you go from left to right in a period, the non-metallic character is going to increase. But as we go down a group, the non-metallic character is going to decrease due to increase in the atomic size. The atomic size is going to increase, as we go down as we go down a group. So what is going to happen is the metallic character is going to decrease, but as we go from left to right, then metallic character is going to increase, non-metallic character is going to increase. Now the second question, what is the expected trend in the variation of non-metallic character of elements from left to right in a period? So what is expected in the trend in the variation of non-metallic character of elements? So as you go from left to right, the non-metallic character is going to increase. So what would be the expected trend in the variation of non-metallic character of elements down a group? The expected trend is the non-metallic character is going to decrease as we go down a group. Now see, gradation in halogen family. So we will see the gradation in halogen. These are the halogens: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and see, that is the group 17 elements are halogens. But before that, let us remember that while going downward in any group, the electropositivity of elements goes on increasing while the electronegativity goes on decreasing. While going from left to right in any period, the electronegativity of elements goes on increasing while their electropositivity goes on decreasing. Larger the electropositivity, electronegativity of the element, higher the reaction or reactivity. Now see, the group 17 elements, those are the halogens. So it contains the members of halogen family. So all of them are going to have a general formula X2, that is F2, Cl2, Br2, I2, AT2 and TS2. That is, what are this? These are the halogens, that is X over here are the members of the halogen family, that is the elements of the halogen family. So you can collect more information from internet about inert gas elements, that is helium, neon, argon and all, and you are going to find more information about the uses of various elements also. Or you can take the reference books like Understanding Chemistry, C.N.R. Rao, and the periodic table book, a visual encyclopedia of the elements. Those also you will get it on the internet. Now see, we will see the do you know on page number 28. Now M plus 2H2O. Now M represents the metals over here, plus 2H2O, the reaction with the metal. So it's going to form MOH twice plus H2. Now see, when metals react with water, it is going to form metallic hydroxide plus hydrogen is going to be liberated. Now this is the general chemical equation. Now we will see the second group elements, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now the gradation in the chemical property of the alkaline earth metals is seen over here. So while going down the second group, the reactivity of this elements, it's going on increase. So how it's going to increase? See, if you take the beryllium, when it is not going to react with water at all. Magnesium, it's going to react with steam. Then calcium, strontium, then barium, it's going to react with water at room temperature itself with increasing rates. Means calcium is going to react a little slower with water, strontium a little faster than calcium, barium is going to immediately react with water. So the reactivity is going to increase as you go down the group. So once again I will tell you, see, beryllium, it's not going to react with water at all. Then magnesium, it is going to react with steam. Calcium, it's going to react with water. Strontium is also going to react with water. Barium is also going to react with water, but the reactivity is going to increase as we go down the group. So the increasing rates, that is the rate is going to increase. So in this lesson of periodic classification of elements, I have explained to you the classification of elements, Dauber-Reynolds triads, Newland's laws of octaves, Mendeleev's periodic table, then merits of Mendeleev's periodic table, then demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table, modern periodic law, modern periodic table. You know, the modern periodic table is also called as long form of the periodic table. Then we saw the structure of this modern periodic table. Then we saw the modern periodic table and electronic configuration of the elements. You saw how the atomic number goes on increasing, and that is while you go from left to right or up to down, and it's going to increase by 1 as you go from left to right, and the valency is also going to increase as you go from left to right. Then we saw the groups. These are the vertical columns are the groups, you know, horizontal rows, horizontal are the periods. Then we saw the electronic configuration of all these elements. We saw the periods and electronic configuration, groups and electronic configuration. Then we saw the periodic trend in the modern periodic table. Then we saw the atomic size, how the atomic size goes on decreasing as we go from left to right, and the atomic size goes on increasing as we go from up to down in a group. Then we saw the decreasing atomic radius as we go from left to right, increasing electronegativity and non-metallic character, then decreasing electropositivity and metallic character. All this we saw while we go from left to right in a modern periodic table. Then we saw the increasing atomic radius, then decreasing electronegativity and non-metallic character, increasing electropositivity and metallic character as we go down the group. As well, we saw gradation in the halogen family. Then we saw the second group elements, how they react with water, that is the reactivity goes on increasing as we go down. Beryllium, you saw it doesn't react with water at all. Magnesium, it reacts with steam. Then calcium, strontium and barium, it reacts with water, but the reactivity goes on increasing. So we ended this chapter, periodic classification of elements. Now that is the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the that is weekly test on the chapters which I have taught you. So you have to get prepared with the lessons as early as possible, so you will be able to write the test very well. What you're going to do is, the test whichever I give you, you're going to write in your notebook, and you're going to take the photo of that, and you're going to message it on my personal number. So all of you have to message me, because I'm going to check all this, and I'm going to that is after this lockdown, you will have to show me also in your notebook. So all is going to be checked, so don't think that it will not be checked. So all of you are going to write the test sincerely, and I'm going to ask you orally also once the lockdown is over. So everyone write it sincerely after studying it properly.